What'd you say yours was reading?
Mine was reading 29 degrees Celsius, so it's pretty warm for our air
Mine's
temperatures.
24 degrees Celsius.
24, and I'm 29.
Oh my, this one is just all over the place. It's a bunch of, it's separated.
Oh boy.
So what do I do?
Sometimes if you have an alcohol-filled thermometer, that'll happen. You'll get some separation, and I noticed that this thermometer reads up to about 50 degrees Celsius, so a little bit warmer even than what we have our air temperature right now. What we're going to do to fix that is we're going to stick this thermometer into a beaker or a cup of some warm water. Maybe if I run some tap water, and I want to make sure it's not over the 50 degrees Celsius because that's how high it reads.
Yeah.
But as that alcohol, as it moves up because the temperature increases, it's going to collect all that separated alcohol and it'll bring it all back together. That'll fix that. So we need to go back to the lab and fix that.
I'll put that inside and we can fix it in the lab tomorrow. But what do I do about this one?
So for that one,
I took this off out of my science kit.
What we need to do is we need to go off of a calibrated thermometer. And unfortunately our calibrated thermometer, right, our calibrated thermometer is the one that you just set down. It's our one that's separated that we're going to fix. We did a video on how to calibrate a thermometer.
Oh yeah, we did that last week in the lab. Oh yeah, we have a video where we used the ice. Now when you talk, because when you said, hey, we're going to calibrate a thermometer, I thought, I don't know how to do that.
That's right.
And so it kind of made me nervous, but it was super easy. Yes. And I understand why important it is, because if Sarah is here, and it's 29 degrees, and I'm like, oh, well, over right here, it's 24 degrees.
Well, we're not that far apart. There shouldn't be that much of a difference.
No, do you think there's a big difference between her standing there and me standing here? Probably not 4 degrees difference.
So sometimes thermometers can shift one way or the other as we use them if they're not a calibration thermometer. And so what we do is we make up for that. We'll take the reading that we know what it should be, and then we'll compare that to a calibration thermometer. So we'll know if our thermometer is reading colder or if it's reading warmer, and then we'll be able to make that correction